This is the rendering we were shown. Over the course of 2 years, this is what we built. But transferring that idea on paper into the world's largest 3D printed structure that's also clad in more than 18,000 pounds of precision-machined aerospace-grade aluminum and is a stunning visual anchor for Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas had a few challenges. We love doing what's never been done before, and we knew right away that for a project of this size and shape, traditional building methods just wouldn't work. After months of research, we found the solution, and it was in Indiana. So that's where we went to purchase one of the world's largest 3D printers. At the time, only the third LSAM ever built by Thermwood. Since this is a brand new piece of technology applied to a task that had never been done before, ever, by anyone, we had a bit of a learning curve getting the machine to do what we wanted. But once we got it dialed in, we were printing 2 unique 350-pound blocks a day, and then machining each one to a tolerance of within plus or minus 5/1000ths of an inch. Then, we drove them down the street to a big warehouse, where we checked fit, sanded for final finish, applied protective coatings, and made sure everything would go together perfectly on site. And they did. Using 23 cubic yards of material and standing 93 feet tall, this is the world's largest 3D printed structure by both volume and height. Guinness World Records pending. This thing is over 40 tons of carbon fiber composite alone. We stacked 226 huge blocks, 23 rows high, for a total of more than 5,000 layers of printed material. Too many numbers? Here's something easy to remember. Since the material is a mix of thermoplastic and carbon fiber, it's really strong. This whole structure is freestanding. There's a metal frame inside, but it doesn't provide structural support. It's just there so we can get to the top. After some experimentation with vinyl and paint, it was decided that the only way to make the torch look like it's clad in real metal is to use, well, real metal. We already had our hands full printing and machining composite parts, so we partnered with Ultratech Aerospace in Kansas City to cut over 1,000 unique aerospace-grade aluminum panels. These folks are pros at creating incredibly precise shapes, which is important. Everything needs to fit together perfectly. But we also needed a consistent jewelry finish on every part, and we checked them with a microscope. All 1,143 unique panels with a microscope. Then we gave every part a protective and uniform ceramic coating with a robot that we engineered and programmed specifically for the task. We are DI, and we are proud to have created the world's largest 3D printed structure, the Al Davis Memorial Torch at Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas, Nevada.